Hello, what is up everyone, and welcome back to a new YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be learning how you can create cool subtitles just like this one using a very unique AI tool. So the tool I'm talking about is free to use and it is really easy as well. And I think you can have a lot of fun with it, animating your subtitles and doing all kinds of things with them. So the name of the tool will be Descript. So I want you to go ahead and search that into Google. So the tool I'm talking about is called Descript. It is free to use. There are, however, like a lot of different paid plans from which you can get different kinds of benefits and the number of hours transcripted. But I'm gonna stick to the free plan as it suits me and completely covers my needs. It's also very easy to use and it is powered by AI. So you want to go ahead and search into Google Descript. So once you've got on this page, you will see two options, which is to start for free, or you can see a product tour. You can also check the pricing tab right there, which will take you right here to this page where you can see the prices annually. This is the monthly price, but it will be billed annually, so make sure you check this pretty clearly. And you can see like how many transcription hours you will get per month. Once you've clicked on that, it will open up a new tab from which it will ask you to sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. So if you don't have an account, you can sign up with Google if you're already logged in, or you can type in your email, your password, choose your first name and your last name, and then you hit continue. It will send a code to your email from which you can copy and paste it just for verification, and then everything will be fine. So the next thing that you need to do is that you want to open a new tab and then type in descript.com/downloads or download. It's going to open up this page right here where you can download the app and get on your desktop. So your download should be starting. If it's not, press on this button and it is going to download it. Good thing to note is that you can start with the free transcription hours and there is no credit card required. The system, it works on Mac and on Windows 10 and newer. And if you need help, you can search in the articles for a specific problem that you're facing. So the next thing after you've downloaded and installed the app, you need to open it obviously and then sign into the account that you created. So I'm gonna press on sign in to Descript and then it will redirect you on how you can sign in. Once the process is successful, it will open up the app as you can see. So from here, you want to press on new project. And now from here, you can see how much time is left for you. So I currently have 1 hour of transcription remaining. You can upgrade if you really like the service and you want to keep it going. So you got many options right here. You can automatically start recording using this app. It has a built-in recorder and you can create your video within the app and then transcribe it right away. Or you can write if you want. You can also start with a template. But I'm just gonna choose a file to transcribe. You can do that by pressing on this button or simply dragging and dropping into the app, which is what I'm gonna do. So it will start adding my file into the application. It will say transcribing, it will begin transcribing right away. It will say your transcript will be ready in a few minutes. So what you can do is that you can identify how many people are speaking into the video. So I guess it's already detected that it's only one person, which is me. If there are more people, you can name each person and it will show in the transcription. So person 1 said this and that, person 2 said this and that, and then you can see all that in the video. There are also multiple languages to choose from for the transcription. You can like press on this button and then it will open up the list of languages that are available on the application. Once you've chosen the settings that you prefer, press on done and then you can see the transcription of the video. So you can make sure of the transcription if you're not sure about it yet. I'm gonna play this video and you will hear everything I said versus the text that was generated. This is a sample video I'm recording to show you how you can add captions to your videos. As you can see, the app detected every single word I said and it highlighted it every time I said something. Now, the very cool thing about Descript is that if let's say the audio kind of messes up a little bit or it doesn't like transcribe 100%, it will write the transcription in the form of a text just like this one. Just like how you view Google Doc or something, And you can edit this if you don't like something. You can remove words, you can add words, you can do whatever you want to it so that you can correct it if you want to. So one cool thing about this application is that if, let's say, you were recording a video and you kind of messed up a little bit, you said a few words at the start that you don't want. So instead of going back and editing the whole video and then adding it to Descript, you can instantly look at the transcription right here. And let's say I don't want this part in the video. You just drag and highlight this whole text, press delete, and that's it. It will be deleted. The video will be edited according to what is being said or what you want to be said. So if I play the video right now, look at what it's gonna say. I'm recording to show you how you can add captions to your videos. The entire video was edited in just a few seconds, which is very cool and convenient if you ask me. This application is also very convenient if you make TikTok videos or if you make YouTube shorts. So one thing that you might want to do is that you want to turn the video into the vertical shape. And to do that, you want to press on this button right here. And then you want to select portrait, which will turn the entire resolution into the portrait mode. And then you can click on your video and stretch it however you like until it fills that portrait mode. And as you can see, my video just went from the PC format, like for YouTube and so on, to the vertical format for YouTube, Shorts and TikTok. So you can play around with it until you make the video exactly however you like in order for you to post it on the platform that you work on. So the next thing that we want to do with this tool is that we want to add our generated captions and put them into the video. So to do that, you want to highlight all the text that you want to be captioned into the video, and then you want to go to the top bar right here, press on the T letter, which stands for title, and then from here click on captions, and boom, just like that, our captions have been added into the video. So you can edit the text a little bit, you can play around with it, just choose the settings that you prefer. This is just a sample video, you don't have to copy my settings obviously. You can choose how big the captions are, for example, but this will just put them all in one text, or you can make it write one word at a time and change the location. As you can see, I'm gonna stick to the one line view, as you can see right here, and from there we want to add animations to our captions. So in order to do that, what you actually need to do is that you want to press on this button right here which says templates. And then from there you want to choose captions, and you can choose one of the many templates that you can see right there. So for now, I'm gonna choose the karaoke one, and it will add the captions in the animation mode. So let's play the video and see the difference between the two kind of transcriptions. So look at the first one, and this is the second one. I'm recording to show you how you can add captions to your videos. And just like that, we have just animated our captions. If you want to choose a different kind of animation, let's for example try this one. This one is actually really cool and popular. It was added right away. Then we play the video again to see. I'm recording to show you how you can add captions to your videos. If you'd like, you can also play with the angle a little bit, just make it back to the way it was. Or for example, add even more of an angle. So you can play around with it. You can also change the color of the animation and make it blue or green, for example. And it will be adjusted accordingly almost instantly. And with that, guys, we'll have reached the end of this video. If you found this video to be helpful or entertaining to watch, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more future videos just like this one.